So when it comes to optimizing your homepage, I just want to leave you guys with a few things, and then I'm just going to show you something else that I think will be incredibly valuable to all of you. First, homepage optimization. Remember the keyword research that you did earlier, where looked at Google Keyword Planner, whatever keyword tool you want to use. You went through that process, and then you created an amazing navigation menu, right? You still used some of that keyword research that you implemented. These are the other things that you must have from an on-page optimization, and particularly a user experience perspective. Your About Us page needs to be well thought out. It needs to be built out as well. Who you are, what your services, the services that you provide, obviously is critical. Name, address, and phone number must be on at least that homepage, definitely on the Contact Us page as well. Having a Contact Us form, I think, is good because some people know that they can't call you after hours. So that Contact Us form allows you to collect leads and then follow up with those people after hours. So it's something that I do for all of my clients, and I highly recommend it to all of you out there. Having your social media and multimedia links on your site is also good. So your YouTube page, your Facebook, even some review us stuff is really, really good. Highly recommend that. Call to actions above the fold and below the fold as well. So when I say call to actions, I mean maybe there's a button that sends people to a Contact Us page, or there's a place where people can just call you directly and it's a button and it's really red or green and you can see it clear as day, and it's like, oh, let me just click on that button, or let me just call them right now. Those things really do matter. Images and personalization. So adding some images of the attorneys or the team or the products and services you provide, adding those pictures do matter, and they add just a more personal touch to your website. And then finally, testimonials and accolades. This provides both the social proof and the confidence that you are legitimate. You have the goods and you know what it takes to get the job done. So I'll typically add that to the homepage as well. So now that I've kind of given you the high-level overview, I'm going to walk you through a well-optimized page and a reference that I like to go through from time to time just to kind of keep me grounded when I'm working with clients from a web development standpoint. All right, talk to you in a little bit. So how to optimize a landing page, your home landing page. And I've been using this particular upload, this one from trueconversion.com. I've used this in so many conversations. It is, in my opinion, the most simple and most powerful explanation on how to optimize a landing page. And so I'll be able to show you even just the comparisons between this site and this page. But you can see here, not only that, but even from a local standpoint, how it really does make a difference. So you come down here, you say individual location page. This is the individual location of this particular page itself. 92% of A listings have the name, address, and phone number. So, okay, got that. Map, having a map on there can also make a difference as well. Number of listings, blah, blah, blah. Trust symbols, having trust symbols. So you're a Better Business Bureau. You're in all these different places. A picture of the staff on the page just gives a little bit more personalization. There's some other really good aspects on here that I always really liked. Nifty Marketing are the guys that built this. It was designed by Avalanche Media. But it's a really good optimized landing page, and it gives some good feedback into what makes for a good landing page. And so I just wanted to share this one with you guys. You have the nice call to actions, where people can message you, testimonial. But here's how I like to look at it. Look at what all those A listings are doing, and then try to make certain that you're doing some of those same things. You have, individual location pages. That can be important if you have multiple locations. Having the keyword in the URL, having the keyword in the title is a must. Having the business name in the URL is a must. Having your business name in the title tag is a must. Having the location in the title tag is a must. You can see here that if you're doing these things, this is going to have an impact on your local search rankings. And just come back here. See what we did here. See, the only thing that we didn't do right is in my judgment, is like the fact that we don't have Anderson Shin. He has a separate website, but this is his more bankruptcy practice, if you will. But if you do a search for Anderson Shin PC, you can see here that the way we have their title tag is New York Bankruptcy Lawyers Anderson Shin PC. You can see we have their phone number that's here. We have some trust symbols. We have other places that they can be reviewed on. They have their blog posts. They have their contact us page, which is nice. Their phone number is there as well. Phone number's there, a place where they can be messaged, a testimonial, their menu, all of those things, guys. I mean, you can see how this is really a well-optimized site. Even has their pictures on here, and you can read more about the attorneys as well. So I think we did a pretty good job in leveraging sort of the information in our experience in terms of conversions, but also, if you think about it, we're building a site based on user experience, but naturally that great user experience, happens to be the same user experience that a lot of these A listings have. Keyword and title tag, keyword and URL, having your business name in the URL, all those things really do matter. So as you've gone through this particular section, this subsection, feel free to pause it at any time, take down notes, take a look at it, see what is required to have a well-optimized site. Feel free to go back to this one if you want to see what we did. You can see sort of our services, that's down here. You can see sort of the drop-down menus as well. You can see all the things that we did, and this can help give you a sense of what's required to have a well-optimized site. Even if you pull this up on your mobile devices right now, like literally right now, you pull this up, you're going to see that it's well-optimized for mobile as well. So I hope this has been helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.